Good night, teacher. This is my last job year. The institution where I work is agroindustrial in Ashur. It has been thought of developing a livestock project that consists of producing chickens for sale to the community with programs that directly benefit students. It's about buying line hens for egg production, as well as obtaining an incubator for 200 eggs to have around 200 chicks at least every 2 months and sell them to the same educational community. The project would also carry a preliminary market study for its viability. The resources to develop the project will come from the Rural Educational Project Fund with the prior approval of the Institutional Agricultural Support Committee. Thank you very much for your teachings.